to prepare for our opinion piece. Remember, our opinion topic is: should cities ban plastic straws? We will use three sources of text to help us formulate our opinion whether they should or should not ban straws. All this information is going to help you create your Oreo using the graphic organizer. You should be able to get some reasonings and some examples from the sources that are provided. So let's begin reading our three sources. Source number one is Turtle in Trouble. Christine Fegenaar and a team of research scientists from Texas A&M University were studying sea turtles off the coast of Costa Rica. They noticed something was sticking out of the turtle's nose. The team hoisted the 77-pound turtle, the size of a fifth grader, onto a boat to get a better look. One researcher commented that he thought the object in the turtle's nose was a worm. Carefully, the team worked together to hold the turtle steady and keep him calm. One person used pliers to gently pull the worm out. He worked slowly and carefully because the scientists were worried that the worm may be attached to the turtle's brain. The turtle was sneezing repeatedly and struggled to get away. As the scientists continued to tugging at the worm, the turtle started hissing. He was clearly uncomfortable. A small stream of blood even dropped from his nostril. The scientists were worried that they wouldn't be able to get the entire worm out, and they decided to cut it. They examined the piece that they had separated and made a big discovery. It wasn't a worm, it was a plastic straw. The turtle had somehow gotten a plastic straw lodged in his nose. Once they realized this, the scientists knew they had to get the rest of the straw out. Not only was it probably uncomfortable for the turtle, but it could also interfere with his ability to breathe. They pulled on the straw for about 5 more minutes, and eventually it came out. It was a 4-inch piece of plastic straw. Fegenaar suspects the turtle probably swallowed the straw accidentally. Then, as he gagged it up, it got stuck in his nose. Since the passageways for a turtle to swallow food is also to breathe are connected, like in humans, it makes it impossible for the objects to enter the wrong path. After removing the straw, the team observed the turtle to make sure he was okay. They disinfected his nostril, and then they released him back into the ocean. That is source 1. Let's take a look at source 2. Small straw, big debate. A single straw costs less than a penny to make and weighs less than an ounce. How can the piece of plastic so tiny cause such a big stir? It is estimated that Americans use more than 200 million plastic straws each day. Straws are among the top 5 items found in beach cleanups. There is estimated that 2,000 tons of plastic straws discarded in the ocean. While plastic straws can be recycled, most are not. They are so small that many people simply forget to recycle them. Those that make it to the recycling center are often sorted out accidentally by machines because of their size. Plastic can take thousands of years to decompose or break down. This means that all the straws will be sitting in a landfill, on a beach, or in the ocean for a millennium or more. What is the solution to the plastic problem? Many people believe that the United States should ban plastic straws or make it illegal to purchase or use them. A straw ban could, however, pose a problem for many individuals. Diane Loring has cerebral palsy. She is unable to use her hands or feet. The only way she can drink is by moving her head to the straw. When a reporter asked how she felt about the proposed straw ban, she replied, "Awful, awful, awful. Many people with disabilities depend on the flexibility of plastic straws in order to drink. Additionally, some elderly people with limited motor control also rely on plastic straws. Others simply do not think the ban is necessary. The 2,000 tons of plastic straws in the ocean seems like a lot until you consider that there is a total of 9 million tons of plastic waste in the ocean. 2,000 tons is a small percentage of 9 million. Some people think we should focus on plastic bottles and discarding fish nets instead of plastic straws. Environmentalists recognize that straws are a small part of a larger problem. Many feel that the ban on straws will get the ball rolling so we can move on addressing bigger plastic pollution issues. Yet others argue that it might actually hurt the cause. People might give up straws and think they've done enough to help the environment and stop there. Others feel that making a law is not necessary for change. First, let's make people aware of the problem. Maybe we can help change habits and get people using fewer or no straws. Then we educate. It's better to teach people to dispose of or get rid of their plastic properly rather than banning straws altogether. And our last source that we are going to use for our opinion piece is source number 3, other kinds of straws. Some people want to get rid of straws altogether. However, this would make drinking a milkshake or a frappuccino pretty tricky. While traditional plastic straws are most common, there are actually other materials that can be used to make straws. One common type of straw is a paper straw. Paper straws do not last a long time, and they can fall apart when you're drinking. They will end up in landfills, but they break down more quickly than their plastic counterparts. Engineers have also experimented with creating straws from biodegradable materials such as corn or wheat. This means that the straws will break down easily when discarded. You won't have to worry about them sitting in landfills because of the natural materials will disintegrate back into the earth. While paper or biodegradable straws would eliminate some of the plastic waste, some people point out that they would require more fossil fuels and electricity to create than plastic straws. Also, these straws are more expensive. This could cause companies to increase the prices on drinks. This has led many people to push for reusable straws. Several companies have created stainless steel straws. These are designed to last a long time. They are sturdy and dishwasher safe. One negative is that they can be hard, even with a dishwasher, to ensure that the inside crevices is fully clean. Another option is a glass straw. These are designed to be reused and last a long time. There are many designs with multiple patterns and colors. You can see through them to ensure that they are clean. Glass, however, can shatter if you drop it. There are many straw options out there besides the plastic straw. If the plastic straws are harmful to the environment, why not try a new kind? Again, we're going to use all 3 of these sources to help us with our opinion piece. And for our opinion piece today, all we're doing is taking notes today. So you can listen to this recording multiple times as you read over the different sources, but use this to guide you when you go to your graphic organizer. This is our graphic organizer that we're going to be using. It's similar to the Oreo, but it's broken down by introductory paragraph, reason 1, reason 2, reason 3, and our conclusion paragraph. Remember, we're working on a paragraph per day, so it's going to take us a good week or more to finish this up. Tomorrow, we will be working on our introductory paragraph. So using that information that you've read about or talked about today, I want you to think about what your thesis statement is going to be and your reasons, your 3 reasons. Remember, your thesis statement is your opinion. What is your opinion? Should they be banned or should they not be banned? I'll also talk about the hook. We'll give a quick demo, a lesson on the hook tomorrow, and that will be presented to you so you can change that. Use this graphic organizer to help you with your writing. Type right on it, and then we'll type our piece up tomorrow. Thanks and have a great day.